Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about Apple stock. So guys, what is this effect? Apple is preparing to unveil its electric vehicle. Far as we all know, it's all going to cost the most. Just kidding. Well, on March 25th, the Chinese electric car manufacturer NIO published its fourth quarter profit despite varied results. Investors were primarily spoke by lower than expected delivery forecast after the market closed that day. So guys, the Apple stock fell by 9%. So hello you all know and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, we are going to discuss the key warning for Apple investor as well as what's going on with Apple and NIO negotiation. So don't go anywhere else and watch the entire video because you'll receive your daily doses of NIO stock. And Apple stock has suffered from a number of challenges, from supply chain interruptions to regulatory risk, but there are still numerous reasons to believe shares are cheap. Here's why NIO futures should still be right. And so guys, is a millionaires investor who sold broadcast.com to Yahoo for $5.7 billion in 1999. And Kevin launched a firm 2 years before selling its Hurricane. Wall Street legend Status Quo has since invested in several companies, particularly mission-driven startups, and owned the Dallas Mavericks. Well, Mark Cuban is a new stock whale. The new stock and Apple stock has been hit by several challenges, ranging from supply chain delay to regulatory risk. However, there are several reasons to assume that stocks are cheap, and here's why NIO's futures and Apple futures seems promising. So guys, Apple fourth quarter profit fell short of market estimate, but we are far from disastrous. And I am 3 cents behind my per share estimates of 14 cents in terms of revenues. So guys, Apple reported $1.55 billion, which was $22.76 million higher than predicted and represented 51% growth year over year. However, the key element that caused an eye or shares to collapse after reporting results, or it's a vehicle delivery statistics. And NIO also provided a projection of 25,000 to 26,000 vehicles deliveries in the first quarter. Analysts, on the other hand, predicted that deliveries would be about 28. So guys, NIO delivered 25,034 vehicles in quarter 4, just 34 more than its baseline target. However, this makes a 44% increase year over a year and a 2.4% gain over the previous quarter. In addition, NIO recorded in almost 50% year over year rise in automobile sales with a 6.7% gain over the prior quarters. So guys, NIO CEO William Lee described 2023 as a year of major investment in technology and supply chain innovation. So guys, by increasing the user base and delivering its products and services in many more nations, finally CFO we think started that in 2023 NIO achieved a margin of 20.1% per car as a result. So guys, home owners of NIO industry don't like to pay more cost to market their shares in Chinese language electrical car form, which is down 45% to dated in 2022. I'll be honest, I'm excited about the worldwide EV prospectus, and nonetheless recent news from CEO William Lee that it's in the research stage of developing its phones to compete with Apple has raised major concern that it lose sight. The CEO appears on a graphic presented at the end of the March outline why the company is considering developing its phone, and it's appear that they want a phone that work better with their automobiles on the ground. I get the reasoning. I get the reasons, but the more I think about it, the more it remind me of a model extension gone wrong. Consider Samsonite, logos, or chip. All of this talk about Neo producing a phone has me wondering whether the model extension is crazy. The Neo telephone or the Apple or the mobiles, a mobile certain and I or collaboration with Apple we used to resolve issue. I have never posted. I have never posted in a Neo vehicle. Most individuals, I believe, haven't done both. So I am not sure if it's a legitimate issue according to CNEV post research appear to envisions it's we will learn more from the attitude of providing a better expertise to our consumers. The new had remarked over the phone according to CNEB post. According to Lee, Apple's operating system is closed environment. This suggested Apple overall the iPhone software and hardware. Google has a free and open environment after all. Its Android operating system is available for free download by anybody on an phone other than an iPhone. So if Apple were so interested, we might approach them and collaborate with their engineers to figure out how to provide greater introduced no expertise without constructing a phone from the ground up. Apple isn't interested, and it's not only because it's working on the Apple automobile. The Apple ecosystem is a more effective retention strategies. I know this is the case since my family has two Apple computers, two iPhone, two Apple TV, one set of AirPods, and one iPad. Collectively, they all function well. When it's come to Android and home Windows, things are little different. Lee is concerned that if Apple does not release its ample automobiles by 2025, many new owners, he estimates 60% of those who use iPhones will be enticed to trade to their Neo for the Apple automobiles and its ecosystem. I uh, I find it difficult to believe that anyone in the right mind would let $1,000 product decide to fight an EV they purchased. Yet the logical decisions like this occur more frequently than we realized. So the Neo telephone isn't crazy as one may think. However, as we point out, it is easier to supply a phone. Making a good one was far more durable, and however, if it implies keeping most of its automobiles owners purchasing extra nail automobiles. That it's for today video. Please keep in mind that this channel is not designed to give you financial advice, and we do not encourage you to invest in any firm. This is the method via which instructional contact is brought to your door with that in mind for you by